Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Because of the high voltage and high current used by microwave ovens, be aware that repairing this appliance poses a substantial risk for injury or death if precautions are not taken. You should always unplug the microwave before you attempt any disassembly. Since high-voltage capacitors used in microwaves may retain a charge even after the microwave has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals access and replace internal components. To replace the lamp assembly in this Frigidaire microwave oven, you will need a T15 tamper-proof Torx bit and needle nose pliers. Unthread the 6 rear screws securing the cover using the T15 tamper-proof Torx bit. Unthread the screw on the right side of the cover as well. Pull the rear sides of the cover out, then lift the cover up and pull back to fully remove. You should release the potentially stored electrical charge in the capacitor to avoid injury. You can do this by placing needle nose pliers with an insulated handle across each set of terminals. Disconnect the lamp assembly wires. Use the needle nose pliers to straighten the retaining tabs, and you can lift out the old lamp assembly. To install the new lamp assembly, insert the bulb into the hole in the air outlet guide as you align the bracket holes over the retaining tabs. Bend the tabs to secure the assembly. And connect the wires to the terminals. Reinstall the microwave oven cover by first aligning the top edge, then the sides. Thread and tighten the 7 screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.